favorite show, The Jennifer and Ronald Show. I'm your host, Jennifer Licaros.
And I'm your co-host, Ronald Briones.
For this episode, it's going to be a real treat because we have a special guest. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation. We're thrilled to have you here today.
Thank you also because we're having a chance to be interviewed on your show.
Please, take a seat and make yourself comfortable.
Before we begin, could you please take a moment to introduce yourself to our audience and tell us everything that's going on to your studies?
Of course. My name is May Inojales, a senior high school student, and I would say that everything's going well and I'm able to keep up with my studies.
I am Cortejos and it's an honor to be on this show. I'm a HUMSS student and I'm proud to say I'm really happy with my high scores in all of my subjects.
My name is Natividad, and I'm also a young student. I'm doing pretty well with my studies, and I'm really looking forward being on this show. Thanks for having me.
Hi, my name is Persia. It's a pleasure to be here. I always make sure to work hard in all of my studies. In fact, I've always enjoyed solving math problems.
Speaking of mathematics, which subject is easier for you? Mathematics or science?
Mathematics. Mathematics, definitely.
I like them both equally.
Alright, since we've heard everyone say that maths is their favorite subject, we would like to know what do you like about this subject.
I love working with numbers, especially equations and fractions. It's really satisfying to solve problems that way.
Math is fascinating to me because they're so challenging, especially statistics. The more difficult the problem, the more I enjoy it.
Alright, thank you our wonderful guests for answering our question. Now, let's move on to our next segment. Welcome to Jumble Words,
where we will test your skills in puzzle solving related to your favorite subject, statistics and probability. If you all get them correctly, then you are all given the chance to move to the next round and win a grand prize. Are you all up for those challenges?
Ready, let's do this!
Okay, let's start with the first jumble word.
The answer is point estimate.
You're correct.
Okay, next up.
The second answer is critical value.
You're right.
Okay, next word.
The answer is significance level.
Correct. Next is.
The answer is upper limit.
Correct.
And the final jumble word is.
The correct answer is margin of error.
Correct. Excellent work. You all got the correct answers.
Well done, everyone. That concludes our jumble word segment. Thank you all for putting the efforts to solve those words. Now, we were excited to move on to our next segment. For our second segment, we have something special for our viewers. It's time for Word Problems! How this game works is that we will present you two difficult problems to solve under 30 seconds. And if you manage to solve both of them correctly, you have a chance to win an exciting prize.
So what are we waiting for? Let's dive into our first problem and see if you will get them correctly. For this game, we're going to give you a whiteboard and a marker to solve this problem.
Okay, let us start. Our first problem is, a random sample of 30 students has average yearly earning of 2,450 and a standard deviation of 587. Find the margin of error if the confidence level is 95%. You have 30 seconds to solve those problems. You may start now.
Okay, time is up. Let's see if you got your answers correctly. Please show us and tell us how you got your answer.
Our answer is that the margin of error is equal to 210.06.
We use the formula for the margin of error, which is C value multiplied by the standard deviation over the square root of the sample size. In this case, since the confidence level is 95%, the critical values is 1.96. We plug in the values given in the problem and solve for the margin of error, which is 210.06. And we rounded our answer to decimal places to make it easier to read and understand.
Your answer is correct! Congratulations! You're one step away for claiming your prize.
Now, let's move on to our second problem.
Good luck to all of our participants.
The second problem is, you are a fruit seller and you want to know the average weight of 50 apples that you have in stock. The average weight of the apples is 150 grams with a standard deviation of 10 grams and a confidence level of 99%. What is the margin of error?
You have 30 seconds to solve the problem, and you may start now.
Okay, time is up. Let's hear your answer.
Our answer is that the margin of error is 3.65 grams.
Could you please tell us how you got your answer?
We got our answers by simply using the same formula for the margin of error and substituting all of the given values in the formula, in which we got 3.65 grams.
Is 3.65 grams the correct answer? What do you think, Ronald?
3.65 grams is correct! Excellent job! You solved both of problems correctly. That means you have won the grand prize of 100,000 pesos.
Congratulations to all of our participants. Thank you for showcasing your problem-solving skills in mathematics. We hope you enjoy our show.
And special thank you to all of our viewers for tuning in today's episode. We appreciate your support and I hope you enjoyed the show.
That concludes our show for today. Be sure to tune in next time for more exciting segments and challenges.
Until next time,
This has been Licaros
and Briones
signing
signing off. Goodbye!